Handle all of my business, I'm a boss, baby. No hills on my record, I never lost, baby. Ay, get out the way and let me floss, baby. Can't stop, ay, ay, won't stop.
Good morning. It's my birthday. Hold on. Let me finish making my bed. But yes, it is me. It is my birthday. It doesn't feel like it, honestly. It really, if it wasn't for me knowing that today was my birthday, I wouldn't know today was my birthday. It feels like just, granted, it is 7:30 in the morning. It is indeed 7:30 in the morning. But I don't know. It feels like another day. Literally feels like another day. But we have work today. Literally, it feels like another day. We have work today. What else? That's low key. I have work today in an hour, so I'm trying to debate. Sorry, I'm doing a lot, but I'm trying to debate. Do I want to look cute when I go to work, or do I not want to care? I think I'm gonna try to look cute, but it's 60 degrees outside, so it's low-key cold, and I don't know. I just hope and pray these people don't piss me off. Because if they piss me off, I'm clocking out. I don't care. I'm clocking out. I'm not doing it today. They should be blessed that I already didn't call off. But you're not gonna piss me off today. That's what we're not doing. You know it's my birthday today? What you get me? Real quiet, ain't it? What you get me? What you get me? I'll wait. Oh, it's a surprise? My fault. I ain't mean to rush you or nothing. But come on, crazy. But y'all, yeah, I need to redo my eyelashes. That's what I need to do. I need to redo my lashes. I'm not really feeling them for real. I don't know how I'm gonna take them off, or I'm gonna just put another layer on top of these ones, but we need to do something. We need to do something. Oh, shut up. She'll be trying to tap people, got me slipping and sliding on my Crocs. The question is, do I want to wear my cute little Playboy sweatsuit, or do I want to wear my Aeropostale one? Decisions. I didn't even tell y'all, but I did have to do a whole new set of my lashes because the other ones came off. Sort of, kind of. I pulled them off, but they came off. So these were a whole new sets, and I just went in and did my second layer. I don't know if y'all can tell. I don't think I like these lashes, but they're already on my face, so we're just gonna have to make it work. But yeah, I don't think I like this style. It's not, I don't know, but I don't think I'm feeling it. To see outfit for today, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my little perfume I got from Target. This low-key smells exactly like this. Like, do we say dupe? But yeah. Now, time for work. Y'all know where this is going? Y'all know where? In the bag to work with me. I got my little happy birthday from Starbucks, so you know where we're going. I don't know about y'all, but this girl, I make sure I cash in all my freebies. Like, well, I'm not gonna say all of them, but like all of the smaller ones at least. But like when it comes to like restaurants, I don't really go out for real, so I don't get to go to all of them, but they be open longer, so I still try to go. Like if they're open till the 31st, I'll still try to go get my little free dessert, my little free appetizer. I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna go get it. But yeah, we are headed to work. Well, we're technically headed to Starbucks, but it's so sad. I go to the same Starbucks. I go to the same ones, like every time I go, like I'll go to the same ones in rotation, but they're all like by each other, and there's two on the same like street, so I be getting confused at which one is which. So I'm gonna just hope this the right. It gotta be the right one. We can't put Patron in matcha, so what are we gonna drink? They're out of my favorite drink. They don't have the dragon fruit refresher. That is so weird. Like, that is so weird. Ugh. I'm mad. Got the goods. I got the goods. Now let's go to work. Y'all, I honestly hate that I'm like this, but I be so, how do I put it? I'd be so like, I don't want to say negative, but like negative sometimes. I don't know why. I'd rather think and expect the worst to happen, which obviously is thinking negative, but I don't know. I'd rather like think negative and get my hopes up, expecting greatness, and be let down. I don't know if that's a bad thing or not, but I don't know. I probably shouldn't think like that. No. Y'all see it? Yeah. Drink my little drink it down a little. Cause I gotta make a TikTok too. Mm-hmm. Yeah. How do you have that song saved?
What's the dance I do?
They so sweet. Y'all, so I posted my video on TikTok or whatever, like of what y'all just seen. Y'all are too serious for me. Like, lighten up. People over here talking about, girl, delete that. You're gonna get fired. Girl, delete that before your coworkers see it. This gym is empty, first of all. Second of all, what are they gonna do? Send me home? Okay, like, lighten up. Oh my gosh, y'all need to learn how to live a little. Just some energy. But I am feeling the liquor, just a smidge. And I'm not gonna say all of y'all is like tighten up, but the other half of y'all is over here talking about something. Take a shot for me, take a shot for me. Now when I go in this bathroom and take a shot for everybody that said take a shot, and I walk back out here and I be fucked up, I don't want to hear it. Y'all told me to do it. I'm here to deliver. But so far, it's barely finna be 10:30. The day's going. This one twist is pissing me off, bro. It's pissing me off. But The day's going smooth. And yeah, I low-key got really hot. I regret not putting a shirt on under this because I was low-key feeling the alcohol and I started sweating a little bit. But we gotta push through. We gotta push through. I hate bitches. Where is she at? 'Cause I seen her in the parking lot. I'm screaming. Aww, I feel some love. It's the fact that I was literally just on FaceTime with her, but I feel loved. So y'all, it's currently 12:40. Not gonna lie, today's been really big, like really busy, from a bunch of people scheduling in hella dates to people calling me, texting me. It's been a lot. I've been playing phone tag all day on my phone and the work phone. Like, it's literally been a lot, and I'm still going down a list in the emails of scheduling people into. But today, I feel good. I've been going to the bathroom back to back. I should have never broke that seal. Never. But it's okay. It's okay. We got 4 hours to go. And then we are off to the casino. Headed out a little late, but y'all, I'm finally off. I'm finally off. And now I get to head home and pack my bags. I don't know if I said this, but I'm going to Yamava. Yeah, I'm going to the casino. So, I'm gonna head home. Probably not gonna leave right now though, because it's more than likely traffic time, but we shall see. Side note, TikTok has been going up. And y'all been going up on me about this whole Starbucks, really? We're supposed to be boycotting. My bad, bro. My bad. I'm sorry. I don't keep up with stuff. It probably sounds bad, like, oh, you don't read the news and all. I don't. I'm sorry. I'm too emotional. I'm too sensitive. I see stuff like real tragic, and I start feeling bad, and I don't want to look at it. I don't be knowing what's connected to what. I did see Raymonte talking about that though. I did see that. That's on me. That's definitely on me. But in my defense, I'm still gonna go. Not like that, but I already have money on my account. I have to use it before I can stop going. If you know what I mean? Like how like certain like hair products, makeup brands, we don't support them, but we're not gonna throw it out because we already spent our good hard-earned money. We're gonna use it up and just not buy it anymore. Not to promise y'all I'm not ever going to Starbucks again, because I can't guarantee that. But I'm going to keep this in mind because y'all are bullying me on my birthday. Y'all are bullying me about my Starbucks drink. But yeah. Y'all, I literally should have never broken the seal this morning because I've been having no privacy. I've been having to pee back to back, bro. Like, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. But as y'all can, don't look away now, because you still didn't give me nothing. Nothing. Just my bro bestie. But as y'all can see, I'm home now, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and even though it's not really a rush, it's gonna be traffic regardless, but I'm gonna pack up my stuff and figure out what I'm taking, and then I'm probably gonna hit the road. Gotta go drop the demon child off at the sitter. And yeah, my friend's supposed to be coming by too. She said she wanted to drop me off a gift before I left, so I should probably text her and see if she's still coming. But it's my birthday, y'all. I got $20. I got $20 and a Kit Kat. But somebody at work, he gave me $20, and he said when I go to the casino to go play roulette and play 19 and 24, obviously, because it's my birthday on the 19th and I'm turning 24, or I turned 24. And also play like two of like, if I have, he said if I have like a basketball number, like my favorite numbers, to play 4 numbers in total. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna put that $20 to work. And yeah. 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 I'm just so glad nobody at work pissed me off. Y'all know I said I was so ready to like clock out. I was so ready to clock out when I clocked in. But I didn't have to do that. I had a really good day. I had a really, really good work day. I hope they keep this energy coming. I don't know if they just didn't piss me off because it was my birthday, or God just told them don't piss me off because it's her birthday. You know? Yeah. Yeah. Y'all, I am high-key stressing because I don't know what I'm doing, so I don't know how to pack for somewhere I don't know I'm attending, you know? And it's not like I'm gonna be there for a week. I'm literally gonna be there for like a day, 2. But I don't know what I'm doing. I'm stressed. I literally have my nose itch so bad. Oh my goodness. I literally just made one outfit and I've been home for at least 30 minutes. I have one outfit. Send help. Send help because this is ridiculous. This is the only outfit I have. I also have this little dress. Y'all might have seen it in my, I don't know if I posted it last year, but I know I bought this either last year or the year before. This is a gold dress, like this little gold cutout down the middle. But I'm like, I don't know what the vibes are. Ooh, get on my messages. Y'all so messy. I'm like, I don't know what the vibes are. And then y'all seen this one that I tried on the other day. I have this, so I feel like I want to take this, but I don't really know. These two are like my tonight outfits of depending on where I go. Are we getting classy or can I be a little ghetto ratchet? You know? Also have my leather pants on the side, but I don't know what shirt I would wear. But this is like a tonight options. This is tomorrow, like a just cause. I have these 2 dresses I bought during the summer. Y'all probably might have seen these as well as a just because. But the only problem is it's cold. It is cold. I am anemic. I'm colder. So I don't really know how this is gonna work. Either I'm gonna suck it up or I'm gonna be drunk 24/7 so I don't feel how cold it really is. But yeah, there's my current dilemma. I also can't find my little duffel bag, so I have my little backpack. And it's just gonna have to do. Also, I'm trying to decide with said dresses, do I want to wear sandals or do I want heels? Sandals, heels, sandals here. I do not have a gold purse. I thought I did. Like, I thought I had like a little gold clutch or something, but no. So it's looking like all black is the vibe. Maybe like a little sprinkle of gold, but all black is the vibe, per usual. Well, oh my goodness. We have made it to the casino. That about wraps up this video, y'all. I will see y'all in the next one. Comment and tell me happy birthday.